In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a listing on Helium 10. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to hover over the Products tab up here once you sign into your account. You want to hover over Create and Optimize Listings and click on Listing Builder over here. Once you do that, you're going to have one of three options for the first time you do this. You can either go ahead and get started from scratch to start with a blank or existing listing to paste changes with. You can optimize your listing in case you have a connected Amazon Seller Central account. So if you don't, you can watch my video on how to actually connect it. Or you can go ahead and generate images with AI, where you can use AI to get photos for your listings, posts, and more. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with Scratch over here. I'm going to click on that. Then you have to set your marketplace, of course, from those on the list, and then you can go ahead and enter in the ASIN in case you have that. I don't, so I'm going to just click on Start Building. And then you're going to be directed over here to where you first have to create a bank of keywords for your listing. You can go ahead and actually find keywords, or you can go ahead and add them from your list in case you have any keyword lists, or manually add them over here. For this tutorial, I'm just going to manually add it. So I'm going to type in, for example, fitness, jump rope, rope, jump. Okay, so these are my 4 keywords. I'm going to go ahead and click on apply. And then it's going to add them to my keyword bank. There we go. You can go ahead and click on next over here. And then this is where the fun starts. We're now going to create our listing. So to actually create the listing, you can see the keyword bank here on the left. You can see the keyword performances, the competitor comparisons, etc. And then here is where you actually have to create it. So you can either go ahead and start writing with AI, or you can just go ahead and go to the product title, type it in yourself, however you want to do that. You can go ahead and add in bullet points, description, generic keyword, subject matter, and then the Amazon post as well. Now, of course, you can show tips with each and every single one of these, which will basically help you how to do this. You'll be able to use the Write It For Me feature whenever you actually add a product in here, and you can just go ahead and use AI to be able to, of course, do that a bit more easier, and then you can just modify it using AI and kind of your own writing to create a perfect listing. So this is how you can actually make it, and whenever you're done, you can go ahead and click on Finish up top over here, and then you've successfully actually created your listing on Helium 10. You can also then sync this to Amazon whenever you have your account created, which is actually amazing. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.